Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Programming Basics. This is the first video of my channel. In this video, we will learn that how to make a color changing project from scratch, or we can say how to make a sprite changing project from scratch. So, first I have to show that how will it work. For example, when we click these will change. These will change continuously. You can see how is it working. Okay. So let's start that how to do this. We will take a new project. And first we will delete this sprite called cat. We will take a sprite Harper. Or you can take any person after Harper. We have to take dress. You can take any dress. Then we will take glasses. Then scarf. And then we will take party hat. Now let's take a backdrop. I will take Chrome 2, you can take anyone. Now let's arrange them. Now we'll start coding the main one. First we will do the coding of dress. We will go to events and then we will take when the sprite click. Then we will go to looks and we will take go to front layer. Okay, now take this forever, which is in control. And then we will take if. Then if. Now let's fill this. Go to sensing and take touching mouse pointer. Then we will go to looks and take the block next costume. Then we will take the block. Wait 1 second. Let's do the coding of others. Now go to events and take this block and then take next costume which is in looks. Now let's take go to front layer. This is go to front layer. Now let's take this one also, glasses. This is working. Sorry, we have to remove this one. Now we will move this coding to other. We have done coding, but one thing is left. It is Harper's coding. First we have to go to events log. When is written, that is written. I have to show you what is X and Y in Scratch. I will take the background. It is explained in the background. You can see these are X and Y. Okay, so you can understand. Now I will take the previous background. That's room 2. RWM2. Room 2. Okay. So we have done the whole coding. Now let's see how is it working. Okay, this is working so well.